Hello, welcome to otfdha TV. Today's recipe is vegetable stir fry, but this vegetable stir fry is made with sweet potato leaves. Sweet potato leaves are healthy and they are so delicious. These sweet potato leaves were plucked from my house. I just found sweet potatoes growing in the compound. We did not consciously plant them, but somehow see how they have grown so much. So I harvested some to cook. Sad news, while I was filming this, my camera just died on me. I don't know what the problem is. I've taken it for repairs. I hope they can fix it. But this is the last footage from the camera. I used my phone for the remaining part of the video, so I'm sure you can tell the difference. So I just plucked a handful of sweet potato leaves, washed them properly, cut them and set aside. I did not cut them into small bits. You can see how I cut them, quite big. These are the ingredients I'm going to use: some tomatoes, some onions, red bell pepper, and some yellow pepper. I pounded the yellow pepper with 4 cloves of garlic. And of course, I'll use seasoning cube, which I didn't show here. Into my frying pan, I put some oil, just enough for frying the leaves. When the oil got hot, I put in my chopped onions, just stirred this a bit for about 30 seconds to a minute. Then I put in the pepper mix, which is made up of just yellow pepper and garlic. Just stir this around a bit. Then I put in my tomatoes. I squeezed the tomatoes before putting them inside. I set it for about a minute. After that, I put my seasoning cube. I put half a seasoning cube in this. After about 2 minutes, I put in the red bell pepper. Set it for 30 seconds. Then in went my vegetables. This is when I put the vegetables. The aroma here, guys, is to die for. Seriously. So I put in the vegetables now. If you're watching and you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, click on that bell by the side. Select the all options so that whenever new videos are posted, you will get them. I make good cooking videos and baking videos too. So join the family. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. You just keep stirring this around until it cooks properly. It takes about 3 minutes or so. Guys, sorry, this video is shaky, I know. Just bear with me, okay? After stirring a bit, I added some salt. Just salt to taste, so you know the quantity of salt you like and you add. Now the vegetables are ready. They are still green. Guys, you can cut yours smaller if you wish. Very good to eat on the side with rice or yam or whatever you want. It's very good and it's very nutritious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys. I enjoyed making this and I enjoyed eating it too. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.